have our kindergarten kids dressed up as pirates to plunder the classrooms for items for the Neighboring Hearts Project at Northwest Regional Hospital. And we collect toiletries and puzzles and cards and games and deliver them to the patients at the hospital. We've done this ever since I've been here. It used to be Cecilia Dawson, our former music teacher that we had years ago. She started it, and it's great. The kids love it. We continued it after she left, and the patients appreciate it. All the kids in the school bring them in. They help with this service project for the school.
I'm gonna grab a knife.
That's what he showed you.